you guys, welcome to my channel. This is a FabFitFun unboxing, and please give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching. Right, so I just got this in FabFitFun box. It comes 4 times a year, and you either subscribed or pay once every season, or you pay yearly, and then you'll get a discount at a yearly amount. It's like under $200, and then seasonal is about $50. For your first box, I can give you a discount, and I'll leave that in the comments, and I'll leave it in the description box. Alright, so you first open it and see the magazine. Love the colors. Alright, so this is a magazine with everything in it. Page. Alright, it kind of, I think it'll explain what you can do with each of the items. Alright. Here is a gift. Oh, for your first box, $10 off. I'll leave a discount rate. Alright, so the first thing I got is this. X. Give it a peek. Okay, so I want to open the wine glasses. And this is my first FabFitFun box. Alright, so here's these little cups. They're great for camping, to the beach. Okay, so that. Here is an eyeliner. So I'll open it up if I can. Okay, so this is pitch black and waterproof, so it doesn't move even on the water line. Wow, look at that point on there. I'll show you guys. Look at that. That's gonna be nice. That's really black. Pitch black for sure. It's like a marker. Okay, so I got that. Fun. Alright, I'll show you guys this. Not sure how to say it. I wanted to see how long this is going to be. Oh my goodness, it is pretty long. This has strings on it, or tie strings. It goes past my knees, you guys. I was worried about how long it was going to be, and it is super long. Okay, so it is Spiritual Gangster, and it's one size, made in China. I heard it's supposed to keep you cool. So I got that. Look at this. So this is a SPF 30 setting spray, makeup setting spray. So I'll definitely be using this. So you shake it and it has a little sound to it. That's fun. What's in the rocks or shells or something? Beads. Oh, they're like beads. Yeah. contains 70% plus organic ingredients. Water and sweat resistant. Pretty cool. So I'll just definitely be using this summer. So cool. Oh, maybe I should spray it. Ooh. That has a nice scent to it. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like perfume, but not overpowering perfume. It's like soft, maybe tropical. That's interesting. I'll show you guys this on the side. That on the side. And I'll show you the ingredients. Alright, so that is that. This is the exfoliating foot mask. Smooths and softens. Intense hydration. I can already smell it as I take it out of the box. Alright, so sulfate free, wow, has lots of stuff it's free of. It has exfoliate, a willow bark extract, polish, pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, smooths and soothes, black tea leaf extract. So use at bedtime, it says. So you apply it and then let it dry and then go to bed and wake up with softer feet. I'll try that. Okay, next in my box is this awesome purple cool. So it says apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in a circular motion, then lightly pat with a dry towel. And this stuff is, I've heard, really purple. Oh, maybe I need to open it first. Huh. Didn't get all the way off. Okay, I'll show you guys. Really purple. Oh. That has a strong smell to it, you guys. That's strong. Okay, I also got a Grace and Stella spray all day. It says. I think this is another. It says facial spray. Maybe setting spray. It's like this. All over. Okay, I'm going to spray the air again, not my face. Ooh, that's a lot that comes out of here. Oh, that has a rose smell. Yes, definitely rose. Yep. It smells like roses. Oh, it matches. Matches the bags. Matches my glasses. Okay, and the next thing I got are these little hair pieces. Those are cute. It comes in like this tan color and then clear. So cute. Alright, next, no, I think one more thing in this thing. Alright, this, did I? I forgot to tell you guys what this says. So this says mist 4 to 5 sprays onto your face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply as needed throughout the day. I'll show you the ingredients. Alright, now this is a board. I'm pretty excited about this. You know those first day of school pictures? Yeah. This is a board and you put whatever you want on there. Letters, there's smiley faces, shapes. How fun is that? It comes with all these letters and smiley faces. Super awesome. Got everything out. Oops, I should go over the prices with you guys. And more. This is drying. You really see the purple on there? The lavender, it's not purple, it's not a dark purple, it's just a lavender. Okay, so this, I don't know how to say, Kimemo, where is it? It is spun rayon fabric for a cooling effect. Says dress it up or down, features silky, comfortable front pockets and a belt so you can wear it multiple ways. And it fits up to sizes 16, it says. And that price is, it says $60 on this. I didn't even notice the pockets on it. Pockets. Huh. Cool. Alright, so that was that. And let's see. Alright. The felt board, letter board, it runs $35. Display your favorite quotes on your to-do list. It comes with 189 letters, numbers, emojis, and symbols. You can spell out without whatever your heart desires. Alright, the wine glasses. They're not really glass, they're silicone. They are $25. Unbreakable, perfect to drink your favorite wine on the go. Alright, and the eyeliner, little eyeliner, it's $22, it says. This guy, Kula Organic SPF 30 makeup setting, sunscreen spray. Oh, it is $36. Matinee finish formula, keeps makeup looking flawless and delivers a quick hit of hydration and sun protection anytime you need it. That's awesome. Oh, invisible bobble pack, traceless hair rings. $16. Retails at $16. It's a revolutionary hair tool, provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. So it's not supposed to leave a mark, I don't think. Alright. And the purple clay mask is $39. Devison Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. And Grace and Stella, a rose facial spray. Craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of rose infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturizing face. $25.95 for this guy. Foot mask. Get your feet sandal ready. With willow bark extra and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. $32. Yes, let's see how that one goes. There's also extras that you can add to your FabFitFun box. And they also give you a choice. Like I had a choice of a blow dryer for one of these. I chose these two. So there was other choices as well, like a small travel size blow dryer, or there was, might have been something else. Oh yeah, there was a resistant bands. I already had resistant bands, so I figured, I don't need those. There's also things that you can purchase, like this. Other options with the FabFitFun, so you can always add stuff to your box, and they give you a choice to pick. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you guys, and until next time, see you later.